Welcome back. Now, in some cases, as an affiliate, you may determine whether you're going to promote a product based on the availability of a contest. In order to find the contest, you are going to go to your affiliate menu. You're then going to click on Contest. What you'll then see are all of the available affiliate contests. You'll then be able to see how the contest will be administered. For example, if you click on the type area, you'll be able to see those contests that will be available based on total revenue. You can click the type link, and then the sort will be based on the number of sales. You can also sort by end date. So if you click on the end date link, you'll see the sorting line up based on end date. If you click it again, you'll be able to see it as the product creator has entered it into WarriorPlus. You can then click inside the contest to determine what the prize level will be as determined by the individual that will be setting out the contest. You'll then be able to see the vendor and their profile. Once you see the vendor and their profile, once you've examined the vendor, you can then examine the actual offer. You can then do your due diligence as an affiliate. You can work with the joint venture page, and then you can request approval from the specific vendor. And of course, if you know a specific keyword, you can search that keyword here in this area. Once you write the keyword in, you can then click search. You'll then be able to see all of the available contests based on your keyword. In order to start another search, you can click the clear button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.